Sweet food.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
If you could choose a lollipop in any color, which would you pick? Candy bar.
Candy bar.
Would you like a candy bar?
Pie.
Pie.
The pie is being cut into pieces.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Cupcakes look so pretty with their brightly colored frosting.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Candy bar.
Candy bar.
Pie.
Pie. Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Found. Wrong.
Ask.
Found.
Wrong. Ask. Right. Such.
First.
Occupations.
Baker.
Baker. Baker. The baker is making bread.
Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor.
Doctors work in hospitals and clinics.
Farmer.
Farmer. Farmer. A farmer might raise crops, animals, or both.
Police officer.
Police officer. Police officer.
We can recognize police officers by the uniforms they wear.
Baker.
Baker. Doctor.
Doctor.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Police officer.
Police officer.
S. 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 Sit. Sit. S. Six. Six. S. Sock. Sock. Words start with S. Sky. Sea. Soil. Sign.
Suit.
Salt.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Lollipop.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it! Candy bar.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. That is right. Doctor.
Can you pick out
Cupcake.
That is right.
Cupcake.
Which one is?
Baker.
Awesome!
Baker.
Can you pick out pie?
You did it!
Pie. Which one is right?
Awesome!
Which one is?
Ask.
Awesome!
Hooray! You finished a lesson! Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.